Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. Today we are going to discuss about dividing a polynomial. So we already know about the division rule in our earlier classes. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is equal to p of x, divisor is equal to g of x, quotient is q of x plus remainder is r of x. Example 5 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. 3 is the here divisor, 5 is the dividend, 3 ones are 3. Remaining deduction result is 2. This is q of x is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. The most important point to remember, the division process is said to be complete if we get the remainder is 0, the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So our first question is, divide the polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus x by x by using long division or actual division method. Here p of x means dividend. This is g of x means divisor. Just recall the division process you have learnt in your earlier classes. So first divide dividends first term with divisors first term. So here our first step, 3x cube by x, that is equal to result is 3x square. It becomes the first term in your quotient. So multiply quotient first term with divisor. So 3x square into x is equal to 3x cube. The deduction result is 0. Let's take x square from here. Again in our step 2, divide the x square by x, that is equal to x. It becomes the second term in your quotient. Multiply with this second term with your divisor. So we get x square. The deduction result is 0. Let's take another term from dividend. So that is x. Similarly, divide x by x. So result is 1. Multiply this third term with our divisor. So the result is x. So deduction result is 0. Just we recall our division fact, that is p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, that is equal to division fact is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus x is equal to x into 3x square plus x plus 1 plus 0. This is the final division fact. Our next question, divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. This is p of x, 3x square plus x minus 1. This is g of x, x plus 1. Our first step, that is divide dividend first term with divisors first term, that is equal to 3x square by x. So that is equal to 3x. It becomes the first term in your quotient. Multiply x plus 1 with 3x. So the result is 3x square plus 3x. The deduction result is 3x square minus 3x square cancel. Minus 3x plus x is equal to minus 2x. let's take minus 1 from here. So divide the remainders, first term with our divisor. So we get the result in our second step, minus 2x by x is equal to minus 2. It becomes second term in our quotient. So let's multiply minus 2 with x plus 1. So we get the result, that is minus 2x minus 2. So deduction result is minus 2x plus 2x cancel, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. The division process is said to be complete if we get the remainder is 0 or the degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor. So this division process is completed. This is our division fact rule, that is equal to here p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1, g of x is x plus 1. Here our quotient is 3x minus 2 and remainder is 1. Next step is our remainder verification, that is p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Equating this g of x is equal to 0 means x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 1. Substitute this minus 1 value in our given polynomial, that is p of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole square plus into minus 1 again minus 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole square means 1 plus into minus minus and again minus 1. So 3 ones are 3, minus 1 that is equal to minus 2. 3 minus 2 result is 1. So remainder verification, the result is also same as the long division method. Students, this is our third one. Divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder. So here p of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. G of x is equal to x minus 1. This is the g of x. So 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 is the p of x. So here the degree of this polynomial is 4, highest degree of the variable. So x is continuously descending with respect to terms. Here x power 4, x power 3, x power 1 and x power 0. Here the in between x power 3 and x power 1, x power 2 is absent. So for our convenience just put a 0. So in our first step, divide first term. So 2x power 4 by x, that is equal to 2x cube. It becomes the first term in your quotient. Multiply this quotient with our divisor. So result is 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. The deduction result is 2x power 4, 2x power 4 cancel, and minus 4x cube plus 2x cube result is minus 2x cube. Let's take 0 here. Minus 2x cube by x. The result is minus 2x square. It becomes the second term in your quotient. Multiply this quotient second term with divisor, then the result will be minus 2x cube plus 2x square. So the deduction result is 2x cube cancel, remaining 2x square, and let's take minus 3x here. That is equal to minus 2x square by x. This is our third step. That is equal to minus 2x. It becomes the third term in our quotient. Multiply this quotient third term with in our divisor. So the result is minus 2x square plus 2x. Here the deduction result minus 2x square cancel. Minus 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 5x. Let's take minus 1 from here. Divide these remainders first term with our divisor. That is equal to minus 5x by x, that is equal to minus 5. Let's take, it becomes the fourth term in our quotient. Multiply this quotient final term with our divisor. So the result is minus 5x plus 5. The deduction result will be minus 6. The division rule always said to be complete if we get the remainder is 0 or degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So the degree of the remainder is less than the divisor, the entire division process is completed. Simplification. P of x is equal to, this is the given polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x minus 1. This is our divisor. So let's, this g of x is equals to 0, equating to 0. So x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1. So let's take instead of x, that is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 2x power 4 minus 4, 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 8. So result is minus 6 is the final result. The actual division method and remainder verification method results are both are same. Your today HW. These all problems are related to long division method or actual division method. If you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.